Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.